Air, wind, masses, fronts quiz. Student information. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now select your cycle number. Diagrams. Look at the diagram to help answer the questions. What type of local wind breeze is shown in the diagram? The sun is out. Land breeze or sea breeze? Water in the atmosphere. Any form of water that falls from clouds and reaches Earth's surface, rain, snow, sleet, hail, is known as evaporation, condensation, or precipitation. Air masses. What two characteristics are used to describe air masses? Temperature and humidity, temperature and wind, or humidity and precipitation. Continental air masses form over land or water. Maritime air masses form over water or land. Polar air masses are hot or cold. Tropical air masses are hot or cold. In the image below, what is the name of the air mass represented by the letter D? D is right up here. Maritime polar, continental polar, or continental tropical? Number 13. In the image below, what is the name of the air mass represented by letter C? C is over here, over water. Maritime tropical, continental polar, or continental tropical? What is the boundary called where two air masses meet? Front, altitude, or clouds? Predicting weather changes. Scientists who study weather and try to predict it are called astronomers, climatologists, or meteorologists. Air always moves from areas of low to high air pressure, high to low air pressure, or air does not move. Wind speed is measured by a barometer, anemometer, or hygrometer. Identify the type of front represented by this symbol: cold, warm, or stationary. Severe weather and floods. An extremely fast spinning funnel of air extending from a thunderstorm to Earth's surface is flooding, thunderhead, or tornado. Energy in Earth's atmosphere. The diagram below shows cold air molecules. Cold air has what kind of air pressure? High, low, or none? Patterns of circulation in the atmosphere. Earth's rotation makes global winds curve. This is called the convection effect, Coriolis effect, or global effect.